Enjoyed every bit of the tram experience. This is very much recommended, especially for first-time travelers in Christchurch. The tram is designed to cover key destinations in the here of Christchurch. Having arrived on a red-eye flight the day before, the tram was definitely a very relaxing and enjoyable way to explore Christchurch. The numerous designated stops allowed us to see the sights and decide on where to visit at a later time. We have had the opportunity to see cherry blossom in full bloom during this trip. The stop at the Botanic Gardens with the Avon River flowing right across it and the Arts Centre was a rewarding experience. It was unfortunate that the Christchurch Cathedral is still undergoing extensive renovations. We capped off the ride with dinner at the Riverside Market, which offered a wide choice of food. A very relaxing and laid-back means to explore and see the heartlands of Christchurch. It allowed us to see the scenic parts of Christchurch casually and also offered the opportunities to hop off and visit certain places of interest to us. This included the Botanic Garden, New Regent Street, Bridge of Remembrance and Riverside Market. The casual rides were often spiced up by the drivers' often interesting and humorous commentaries and tips. And the best thing was that you can use the tram service for the entire day at your convenience. Love the different tram colors and designs when we hop on and off. 50 minutes tram ride allow us to hop off at different attractions that we wanted to take photos. Voucher was easy to redeem. Tram was a chill and fun experience touring the city, bringing you through different stops and you could hop on and off to discover more. It was fun and beautiful on the train and it go around the city for you to hop on and off. Definitely worth it. Very useful especially for families with seniors, who could not walk too far, and with kids. The commentary on board was clear and interesting. We collect our 2 p.m. Limited timing is last tram ard 4 to 5 p.m., but it's a good experience, only waiting time Abbott long smile. Easy and convenient to redeem. But only get to hop up and down once and it closed an hour earlier during winter. You can go directly to the office to exchange your ticket with your purchase voucher, which is very convenient. The tram is retro and cute, and is perfect for a day trip to various attractions. Some trams are so small that strollers cannot go on them and must be put away before getting on. Only some larger trams can go up directly, but they are all stairs and you need to carry the stroller up. Very convenient, easy to use, you can change tickets and get on and off the bus at any time. There are a lot of people before noon, so you have to queue up, and it takes about 40 minutes to go around the city center attractions. The unlimited daily pass is worth to explore Christchurch town if you have limited time in town. Just to make sure you have the ticket with you all the time when you get into the tram for ticket check. If you don't speak good English, I don't recommend taking the ride. It's better to get off the bus and take pictures. The stops you arrive at are all within walking distance, so it's just suitable for experience. The overall price is expensive, and the ticket exchange must be done at the first station. It is a bit inconvenient not to find a station to exchange at will, but the car itself is quite cute. Each car is different. There will be a driver to explain on the car, and sometimes you will meet interesting passengers. Whether you want to participate depends on whether you want to experience it. The Christchurch Tram is a charming way to explore the city. The hop-on, hop-off feature makes it easy to visit key attractions while enjoying the vintage tram ride. The commentary is informative, and the views are delightful. Perfect for a relaxed city tour. Great. Each ding-ding bus has a different model, hop on and off, and take a small tour of the city. The driver will introduce the scenic spots and learn more about the history and current situation. Humorous, I took 2 classes. We spent our last day hopping on and off the tram exploring Christchurch. The drivers explained different landmarks and we got to know there will be Christmas concert at the park. We went there at night and it was amazing. Highly recommended. The redemption is fast and easy. Easiest way to explore the city center of Christchurch.